you know you can actually create a security over your movable property for purposes of acquiring credit or a loan? If you did not, now you know. Hello you guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miruri and I do videos to legal conversations. So today we're going to look at how you can actually create a security over your movable property. Yeah, your movable property. Okay, so what enables you to be able to register your to be able to create a security over your movable property is a law or a legislation called the Movable Property Security Rights Act of 2017 that gives procedures under which someone can follow to register a security right, and even establishes offices like the Office of Security Right Registrar. It also gives procedures for registration. I mean, it establishes a registry, a specific registry for registration of security rights, and gives a clear procedure that someone can follow, an individual can follow to register their security right. So this law has repealed meaning it did away with a law that is called the Chattels Transfer Act. It has also amended sections of a number of laws like the Insolvency Act, the Company Act, the Stamp Duty Act, which other one? The Stamp Duty Act, the there's the Pawnbrokers Act, and there's also the Business Registration Act. So it has amended sections of those laws. We'll get into that in another video. So I know you might be asking now, how do you create a security right? So a security right, of course, is a property right over a movable property or a movable asset, and of course it's created and it's created for the purposes of obtaining payment of a certain amount, or even for an obligation towards performance of a certain action or duty. So it is created by or through an agreement by someone who is called the grantor, or the grantor and the secured creditor. So the grantor is the person who's obtaining the loan, and the secured creditor is the person, of course, who is now issuing the loan. So they make an agreement called the security right agreement for purposes of using a movable property as a collateral to access of that credit facility. The Act has given, of course, I had mentioned before, it has established a registry for registering the security right. So it has given a procedure for then registration of a security right. You can do this, you can register a security right at the comfort of your home using your eCitizen platform. So what you do is that you access your eCitizen. Of course, you log in, you have your login details, and then you access what is called the Business Registry Services. You then go ahead to access the application form by clicking on the collateral registry. You select the application from the list, open the application form, and add the guarantor details. The guarantor details, of course, would include collateral details and secured particulars. I hope you got some information. Thank you guys for passing by. Until next time, ciao.